Hey, my name is Ethan with Bankston Motorhomes, and today I'm excited to show you the ultimate portable grill by Grill Time. Now, one of the reasons you need to have this at your campsite is that it's lightweight and portable. This is an 18-inch diameter grill top, and it weighs about 15 pounds, as well as the 13-inch diameter, and it weighs about 8 pounds. So it's very lightweight and portable. You're able to carry it and take it with you. It's also very easy to clean as well. Another reason why you need to have this is very easy to use. Simply take off your grill top, put your starter gel at the bottom of the grill, light it on fire, place your coals in here, set it on top, place your grill top back on, like so, and secure it. Once it's lit, you go in the front, you turn the fan on, turn it to high, and about 5 to 10 minutes, you'll be ready to start cooking. Now, while you're cooking, it's actually cold to the touch on the outside, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself whenever you're cooking. Now, this package comes with starting gel, a portable carrying case, coals, and batteries to power the fan. For more information about this product or any product we have here at Bankston Motorhomes, you can contact us at bankstonmotorhomes.com.